this is your celebration.
Hi Angeli, I just want to wish you a happy 50th birthday. Uy, golden girl ka na. Oh, meron ka na ba dyan, Prince Charming? Sana meron, nagpapasaya ng puso mo. Kung hindi naman, basta masaya ka, di ba? So, God bless. I wish you the best. I wish you good health and happiness. Mwah! Happy birthday from Las Vegas!
Hi Angie, happy birthday! May God continue bless you, a good health and long life. Have a wonderful birthday. Again, happy birthday Angie.
G, happy golden birthday. Sana maging maumayang birthday mo dyan, daw arayo ka sa pamilya. Isa na paglip ng pirmi na mag-enjoy sa good ang health, pirming bantayan. I wish you all the best. So, see you soon. Miss ka na naman didi. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hi Angie, happy birthday. Miss you here.
Angie, maligayang kaarawan. Napakalaking blessing maabot natin ang ganyang edad. G, alam kong matagal na pinaghandaan yan. Kung naandidiyan din sana ako, isa rin ako sa nagayak ng, oo, Teddy. O, diba? Basta enjoy, G. Enjoy life lang. Maging malusog lang. Yun lang ang wish ko sa iyo. At tandaan mo yan. Di din kita malilimutan, G. Nung nag-for good ako, kahit na busy ka sa trabaho, siningit mo talagang ako sa embassy, magkita tayo sa Philippine Embassy. Enjoy lang, G, ha? And miss you all. Hindi ko kayo malilimutan. Abangan ko na lang ang mga video nyo, ha? Miss you.
Hello Israel! Mazal tov! Happy 50th birthday Ange! Happy golden birthday sa ating mahal na kulasa. Welcome to the golden age. Dito ako sa trabaho ko, background. Naka-uniforme na. Sana lagi kang masaya, malusog, malayo sa anumang karamdaman. Health is wealth na ngayon sa ating golden age. Lagi kang mag-iingat dyan, laging ingatan ang kalusugan, at mag-enjoy sa buhay. At malapit na tayong mag-dual citizen. Ako medyo malapit na, ikaw medyo malayo-layo pa. Sa ating mahal na kulasa, ano pa, mag-enjoy na lang sa buhay. Halika na sa Europa nang bago ka mag-dual citizen, inaikot mo na ang Europa. Sorry at ngayon lang ako nakagawa ng video at tingnan mo naman yung aking background. Medyo katatapos lang mag-ulan. Dito ang aking workplace. Thank you Ann sa lahat. Sa lahat. Alam mo na yan. At mag-enjoy ka sa birthday, sa bonggang birthday party mo. Bye! Shalom likulam! Lihitraot an Sibetarob Animit Palel. Bye, love you. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Angie.
Yun gusto ko lang bation man ng happy birthday. Yung muli sa Mayak ang nag-iisang Ate Angie, ang nag-iisang kulasa na yan dyan, Happy birthday. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa imo na salamat sa pag-share sa imong mga talento. Kung ano pa man yan, sa imong pagkakulasa, sa imong pagka-abnormal, thank you for sharing us with us. Sa mga Bicolanos dyan sa Israel, sa Abi. Ano pa, I'm thankful sa mga sinabi mo sa kuya, na di ko naman nga ni matandaan, pero naglawag ito sa kuyang sadit na payo-payo. Anyway, enjoy your day. Nakaiba na ng mga barkada tapang yarawon dyan. Ninghilingon mo yan, nabistuta ka, 15 anyos ka pa sana, ngunyan 30 ka na. Enjoy your day, Ate Angie. Ang wish ko sa imo, igwa ka naman kang gabos, aram kong maugma ka naman. Good health na lang po, okay? And stay pretty. Alis sa kuya, sa sa family Picoy. We love you.
G! Happy birthday! Happy 50th! Urang na kita, bay pa? Basta, pirmi sa nang sudati sana. Sana pirmi kayo safe. Di sana, di may parilang ilang. Sana, pirming maray kan pagkabay. Wishing you all the best. See you soon!
Happy birthday, Tita Gigi! I know it's your 60th birthday, so I wanted it to make a bit special, so I have prepared a simple song for you, and I hope you enjoy it, and enjoy your special day! Especially for you, I wanna let you know what I was going through. All the time we were apart, I thought of you. You were in my heart, my love never changed. I still feel the same, especially for you. I wanna tell you I was feeling that way too. And if dreams were wings, you know, I would have flown to you, to be where you are, no matter how far. And now that I'm next to you, no more dreaming about tomorrow. Forget the loneliness and sorrow. I've gotta say, it's all because of you. And now we're back together, together. I wanna show you my heart is oh so true, and all the love I have is especially for you, especially for you. I wanna tell you, you mean all the world to me. How I'm certain that our love was meant to be. You changed my life, ooh, you showed me the way. And now that I'm next to you, I waited long enough to find you. I wanna put all the hurt behind, love you all, and I'll bring all the love inside you. Oh, and now we're back together, together. I wanna show you my heart is oh so true, and all the love I have is especially for you. You were in my heart, my love never changed. And now that I'm next to you, no more dreaming about tomorrow. Forget the loneliness and the sorrow. I've gotta say, it's all because of you. And now we're back together, together. I wanna show you my heart is oh so true, and all the love I have is especially for together, together. I wanna show you my heart is oh so true, and all the love I have is especially for you.
Happy 50th birthday, Ate Angie. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos na nakilala kita. Napakabuti mong tao. Pagpalain po kayo ng buong may kapal. Nawa sa kaarawan nyo ngayon ay biyayaan kayo ng Diyos sa lahat ng mga hinahangad nyo sa buhay. Lalong-lalo na ng iyong kalusugan, and hopefully love life. Happy birthday!
Happy 50th birthday!
Happy birthday. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Thank you for everything. Ngayon, golden girl ka na. Happy birthday. Ingat ka dyan. Ha? Kami dito, okay man. Kaya ikaw dyan, dapat okay palagi.